Welcome back to the luxury. Today, we're zeroing in on why October could be the most crucial month for altcoin investors. This isn't just another hype cycle. October may be your last real window to buy before a major market shift. We'll break down 6 key reasons why October is a make-or-break moment for altcoins. From historical market cycles and tech upgrades to institutional moves and regulatory changes, everything is converging now. If you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. Let's dive into why October matters so much for your crypto portfolio. And hey, if you find this valuable, smash that like button for the algorithm. First up, market cycles. Crypto doesn't move in a straight line. It follows powerful, recurring patterns. Historically, October kicks off a surge in activity after the slow summer months, a phenomenon the community calls Uptober. Data shows October often marks the start of a year-end rally, with Bitcoin leading and altcoins following with even bigger moves. Here's how it works. Bitcoin breaks out, confidence returns, and profits rotate into large-cap altcoins like Ethereum, then into smaller projects. October is when this engine starts to roar, signaling the end of accumulation and the start of momentum. Savvy investors know this is the last call before the train leaves the station. As excitement builds, media coverage and social buzz increase, drawing in retail investors and fueling the rally. Positioning yourself in strong altcoins during October isn't just luck. It's a strategy based on years of market behavior. You're not just buying tokens, you're buying into a proven phase of explosive growth. The calm of summer gives way to the storm of Uptober. Don't miss your chance to get on board. October's shift in sentiment is the spark that ignites the altcoin market. The window to accumulate before the crowd rushes in is closing fast. This is the moment to act, not to wait. The patterns are clear, and history favors those who move early. October is the month where fortunes are made, or missed. Don't let hesitation cost you the next big wave. Let's move to the next reason October is so critical. Next, let's talk regulation, the game changer for altcoins. Major governments are finalizing new crypto rules, and October could be the last month before these changes hit. Once regulations are set, many altcoins may face delistings or restrictions, shrinking your investment options overnight. Right now, you can still access a wide range of projects, but that freedom won't last. Institutions are waiting for clarity. When it comes, they'll pour money into only the most compliant assets. The rest? Many could fade into obscurity. October is your chance to position in projects with strong fundamentals and a clear legal path before the regulatory fog lifts. After this, the market will quickly reprice. Safe projects will soar, and risky ones could vanish. The opportunity is in the uncertainty. Once the rules are clear, the easy gains are gone. Don't wait for the official approved list. By then, the upside will be priced in. This is the last wide-open window to find hidden gems before the market narrows. Do your research, but don't get left behind. October is the month to act, not to hesitate. The regulatory landscape is about to change forever. Position yourself now, or risk missing out entirely. The next wave of winners will be chosen soon. Make sure you're holding them before the music stops. Let's see how institutions are preparing for this shift. Now let's look at institutional moves, because the smart money is already making theirs. Institutions used to stick to Bitcoin, but now they're eyeing altcoins for real growth. Major players are quietly building infrastructure, custody solutions, and research teams for altcoins. ETF filings from giants like BlackRock and Fidelity signal that big money is preparing to enter, and October is a key month for potential approvals. Behind the scenes, they're accumulating large-cap altcoins through private deals, setting up for the next cycle. When institutions allocate even a small percentage to altcoins, it can send prices skyrocketing. They won't buy everything. They'll focus on projects with strong fundamentals and regulatory clarity. Your edge as a retail investor? Get in before the institutional wave hits. Watch which projects are being added to custody platforms and mentioned in research reports. October is likely the last quiet period before the floodgates open. Once the news breaks, prices will move fast and opportunities will shrink. Positioning now means you're front-running the biggest players in finance. Don't wait for headlines. By then, the easy gains are gone. Institutions are moving, you should be too. The groundwork is being laid right now. October is your chance to get ahead of the curve. Let's talk about the tech upgrades that could supercharge these moves. Fourth, let's talk tech, because October is packed with major network upgrades. Crypto projects are rolling out game-changing improvements, faster speeds, lower fees, and new features that can transform entire ecosystems. These upgrades aren't just hype, they're fundamental shifts that attract users, developers, and investors. Think of it like a blockbuster software launch. When a network gets better, its token often surges. October is a popular month for these launches, as teams aim to deliver before year-end. Watch for mainnet launches, tokenomics overhauls, and scalability breakthroughs. Upgrades like fee-burning or deflationary models can make tokens more valuable by reducing supply. Anticipation builds before the upgrade, but the real gains often come after successful implementation. The best time to invest? Right before or during these key milestones. Do your homework. Check project roadmaps, blogs, and GitHub updates. Find out which networks are about to level up. October is when tech progress meets market momentum. Don't underestimate the power of innovation to drive prices. The projects making real improvements will stand out as the market heats up. This is your chance to catch the next breakout before the crowd. Let's see how investor psychology amplifies these moves. On to the next reason. Fifth, let's talk psychology, because markets are driven by people, not just numbers. October marks a shift from summer's slow, cautious mood to renewed optimism and risk-taking. Investors return from vacation, focus on year-end goals, and start moving capital into higher-growth assets like altcoins. Bonus season and tax planning also bring fresh money into the market. By October, most weak hands have sold, clearing the way for a healthier rally. The Uptober narrative becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Expectations of gains drive real buying, which fuels more gains. As prices rise, FOMO kicks in, and latecomers rush to buy, pushing altcoins even higher. The key is to position before this psychological shift takes hold. October is the last phase of quiet accumulation before the crowd piles in. You want to be holding, not chasing, when the market flips from cautious to bullish. This is when the biggest moves happen. Don't wait for confirmation. Anticipate the shift, and you'll be ahead of the herd. The seasonal pattern is clear. October is the launch pad for year-end rallies. Don't let emotions keep you on the sidelines. Be early, be strategic, and let the market psychology work in your favor. The next phase is about positioning for the bull run. Let's wrap it all together. Finally, let's tie it all together. October is your pre-bull run positioning window. All the signals, cycles, regulation, institutions, tech, and psychology point to the end of accumulation and the start of expansion. The biggest gains come from buying before the bull run, not during it. Once the rally starts, volatility and FOMO make it harder to hold and profit. October lets you build positions at low prices, with less stress when the market heats up. The risk to reward is best now, while altcoins are still undervalued. Once prices break out, the easy upside is gone, and the risk of buying the top rises. Use this quiet period to research, vet projects, and set your portfolio. When the bull run hits, you'll be ready to ride, not scramble. October is the final boarding call for the next crypto wave. The market is about to shift. Don't be left behind. Strategic action now beats emotional decisions later. The next chapter in crypto is about to begin. Make sure you're positioned before the crowd. This is your chance to be early, not late. October is the moment to act. Let's close with a quick recap. There you have it, the 6 reasons why October could be your last real shot at altcoins before the next big move. Market cycles, regulation, institutional moves, tech upgrades, investor psychology, and pre-bull run positioning all point to urgency. The window for quiet accumulation is closing fast. Don't wait for headlines. By then, the best opportunities will be gone. Do your research, act strategically, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives from the luxury. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.